Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google TV, and in today's video I will show you on how to use a Google voice command to search for any things you are looking for on your YouTube app on your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. Like for instance, I have already opened up my YouTube app right here. So let's say for instance I'm searching for a particular, and then we make sure that on our remote control we press and hold down our Google Assistant mic. Press and hold down. Hey Google, can you please show me Michael Jackson profile? So let's go back. Press and hold down again. Hey Google, can you please show me Michael Jackson profile on YouTube? And let's see the result. So you can see this is a Michael Jackson profile on YouTube. We can easily click on it, and then we see detail about Michael Jackson, some of the video, and some of the video in the past about Michael Jackson. It's that simple. So we can go ahead and click and hold down on our Google Assistant mic on our remote again and say, hey Google, can you please show me latest video on Facebook ads on YouTube? I'm going to click and hold down again. We can say, hey Google, can you please show me latest video tutorial about Facebook? Now you see it right here. These are Facebook related tutorial. Then from here, we can easily click and watch any of them right here. It's that simple. We can use these methods to search for any types of topic we want to watch on YouTube. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.